In front of me is POCO F5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and tap on Additional Settings. Then select Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Revert. Following that, you need to click on Text Correction and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way, you're turned off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!